Unboxing the big pack by Guinness Planet in a box made by TARAgram, a social enterprise working sustainability on livelihoods of tribal families. You will see. 2 Sparrow Book Marks made especially for Guinness Planet by TARAgram. Guinea booklet to introduce Guinea to the world from Guinness Planet. 2 face masks made of cotton by Brahmaputra Fables and Parcham. A pack of 4 Ragi Laddos by Native Roots. Bright and colorful paper mache Diyas from Society for Child Development. 1 soy wax candle from Uboontu Foundation. A beautiful mug with an adapted painting of Guinea by Niyaz Hussain and our tagline, being different is okay. 4 paper seed pens with diversity message from Guinness Planet and 2 hand-painted terrakota Diyas from AADI. Order now and support diverse causes. Guinness Planet is building a world where being different is okay.